Good morning, Andreas, and today we start turning your engine 9J75. All turning good, all compression complete. On the front all looks good, as you can see. No damage, no broken. This side all looks like so. Windows looks good. I didn't see any damages and water inside. On the top all looks like so. And on the back side all looks good. The gearbox looking good as well. This side all looks like so. Alternator looking good. Starter looking good as well. And underneath all looks good. No damage, no broken. Turning the engine 9J75. Thank you.